this is Victoria. We have an unbagging to do. This last drop from Coach that just happened, I wasn't feeling a lot of the items that they were dropping, but there was a nice surprise, at least to me. We heard that they were bringing back the large Maple Rowan, and so I wanted that Rowan, and so that's all I really wanted from this drop. And the drop happened, and I called a couple of I have two outlet stores. One is in Massachusetts, not very far, about a half hour from where I live. And the other store is in Connecticut, which is the neighboring state. And that store is an hour away from me. I called both locations and they said they didn't have it. They weren't even sure they were going to get it. And then I called Coach customer service because I really wanted that Rowan. Okay, so I called customer service and I asked if they could locate or look into their system and see if they could see anywhere in the United States any store that had that bag, and I could get it could and if I could get a payment link. I've done that before. When I really wanted a bag, I called customer service and they found it, and then either they give me the number of that store or somehow they were able to get me to pay for the item and it was shipped to me. So this time around I checked customer service and they said absolutely it was absolutely sold out online and in stores. And the very nice customer service lady I was speaking with said she didn't know if they were gonna get it back, and that was that. And I moved on with my life. So and wouldn't you know, a couple of days later I get a text from one of the stores, actually the one that's in Connecticut, which is an hour from me, saying that, oh, we just got this in and we can put one aside for you. Do you want us to? Yes, please. So I went in, I picked it up last Friday. I was gonna show you, but I had a video to get out and here we are. I'm gonna show you today, okay? So yeah, so it's in this bag. It's still the way it was when I picked it up from the store. It's still in the plastic, so it's a true unboxing, unbagging. Okay, yeah. But when I was in the store, they had one on the store, and I looked at it and I carried it. And this bag, my friends, is very, very, very soft. It's really nice. I'll show you right now. So this is it. And we know how Coach is. This is wrapped up very well. I was going to unwrap it, but I thought, let me give you the true experience. So, factory wrap. This bag is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. The Rowan. This is the large Rowan. She's got gold hardware. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh, and her feet. The feet are gold. I love the Rowan bags. This Boston style bag is everything to me. So let me see if I can get all the stuff off her. Ugh. We know how Coach can be with all this wrapping. Oh, she's stuffed. She is stuffed to the brim. Let's get all this out. I love the Rowan bags, friends. Yeah. So, oh, Coach, they put so much stuff in here. This is good though. You know what I do? I save these stuff in, and I use them to stuff my bags. So, yep, I saved all of this. Oh my goodness, this bag is beautiful. Ooh, she is gorgeous. And this is her straps. What I noticed in the store when I was trying on the display, the one they had on display, it appeared that the strap was shorter. Yeah. Yes, it is shorter from what I can see. Ooh, I don't have my scissors here. Can I do this? Oh, yeah, I can. The strap is shorter, and I love it. I love it. Yep, this is nice. Let's see. I have the, oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Yeah, see, the strap is shorter. And that's amazing. Because the other Rowans, the straps just so long. In my other Rowans, I have extra holes punch into them, and I also bought a strap from Amazon that's kind of short. It's like 26 inches, and I use that with a few of my Rowans. Oh my God, this is amazing. They had a black one. I think I'm gonna get the new black one. I used to have a black one, but my sister was visiting in December, and I ended up gifting that to her. One of my large black Rowan, because I got the other one with the puffy C's. So I thought, well, I don't need two blacks, but I think I want the other black. Why? Because this pebble leather is so soft, and the strap is shorter. Oh my goodness, this is a shoulder bag. Oh, I'm definitely getting the black one. Friends, this is this bag. Let me show you. I know, I'm all over the place, but when I was thinking about getting this Rowan, I thought, but I already have the suede warm brown. That's like too much brown, and I kind of was thinking maybe I didn't need this one. I was wrong. I needed this one. Let me show you. And this is my brown suede one. Oh yeah, there's room in my closet for both of them. And if anybody would like, I mean, they're the same bag, but I'm happy to do like a comparison of the two. I mean, yeah, just that the color is different. But oh my goodness, I'm so glad that I got this. Even though Coach and the games they play, I don't know. They play games with us sometimes. That's just what I think. Because how could you not have the bag and a day later, or you don't know if there was nothing in the warehouse, I was told. They didn't know if they'll ever get it. It was sold out everywhere. And then I get a text a day and a half later. Go figure. Not complaining. I'm just, I was pleasantly surprised. How about we say that? Yeah, but this is it. I am going to, oh my God, this bag is soft. This Rowan is, this pebble leather is so soft. Let me see if I can get my other pebble one. Do I have one? This is not planned. Let me so this is my dark stone one. I just want to feel if the leather is different. This one is definitely softer. Very soft. in comparison to this one. I just wanted to feel both because this one just feels more soft to me. And I'm right. This is soft, don't get me wrong. But this is like butter. This one is just so soft. This, I know I have a little bit of stuffing in it, but this is somewhat more structured than this bag. This bag is stunning. I love this bag so much that I am going to get the black one. Yeah. And yes, friends, that's the review. I hope I know I was all over the place, but I really just wanted to show you. It's not a review, I'm sorry. Unboxing, unbagging. I'm sorry, Mama just came in. My kitty. So yeah, I wanted to show you this, and yeah, I've been all over the place, but I'm excited. She's gorgeous. Coach does play games with us sometimes, as my opinion. But yeah, so this is oof. Yeah, at least in my store, the store I go to in Connecticut, they had a few of them, so it wasn't just the one. They had plenty in the store, and I got this last Friday. I picked her up on Friday of last week, which would have been, I forget what day that was. Maybe the first. Yeah, was that the first? Yeah. So I don't know if they're online, but if you have a local outlet store, I would say check with them if you're interested. But she is stunning. And yeah, I have, you know, how I love the Maple. I love the Rowan bags. This is my Maple girl. She is gorgeous. And of course, she's going to be my bag of the day tomorrow. Oh yeah, I'm wearing her to work tomorrow. All right, my friends, I appreciate you spending time with me. That was my unboxing, unbagging. More videos coming soon. I'm doing a couple of review videos I was asked to do, and then my collection of vintage bags is coming soon. I had a question though. I just got this denim, my bag of the day today, and I want to know, because I want to give you all what you like. Do you want to see a collection of all my denim bags? I've shown my denim bags in different collections that I've shown to you, but do you want me to just do a video of just the denim bags that I have? I have some vintage ones and some current ones, and just let me know if it's something that you would like to see. I'm happy to show you my denim collection. Spoiler alert, it's close to 30 bags, I think. I don't know. But all right, thank you so much for watching. And if you like the video, please like it and please subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel. And there's going to be some recommendations for what to watch next. Yeah, if you have time, please do. Thank you.